Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy vegetable soup with chicken. This hearty meal is perfect for any day, offering warmth and nutrition. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, including fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and potatoes. You'll also need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, chicken broth, and your favorite seasonings. Let's get cooking. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them ready for the pot. First, dice all your fresh vegetables into bite-sized, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and are easy to eat. Next, cut your boneless chicken into 1-inch cubes. Don't forget to mince about 2 cloves of garlic and chop 1 medium onion. These aromatics will form the flavorful base of our wonderful soup. It's time to start cooking. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté your chicken cubes until they are lightly browned on all sides. Then, add the chopped onion and minced garlic, cooking for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Pour in 6 cups of chicken broth, bring it to a gentle boil, then add your diced vegetables. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Your delicious chicken vegetable soup is almost ready. Now is the perfect time to season it to your liking with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, perhaps a pinch of thyme or a bay leaf. Remember to remove any bay leaves before serving. Ladle the warm, comforting soup into bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh parsley or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.